Hi, this is Chris. Welcome to Wellness Wednesday. Have two exciting essential oils that I am sharing today that will help you to support your immune system naturally. I just wanted to get started here really quick, and this is going to be uh, short. So I'm grateful to be able to talk to you today and wanted to ask you these questions. Do you get sick frequently? And is your recovery taking longer than you'd like? Are you feeling constantly tired? And are you actively preparing to stay healthy? I know that we're going into a flu season, but since it's been around this summer too, I just think that it's always a good time to pay attention to our immune systems. I wanted to give just a little tiny review here of how essential oils work and just let you know of their power. And here's some cool facts about them. One drop of essential oil is composed of around 40 million trillion molecules. Okay. And the human body is composed of about 100 trillion cells. So in 20 minutes, one drop of essential oil will penetrate the entire body. And one cell in the human body will be covered by 40,000 essential oil molecules. So they are so small that they enter your body through your skin and go everywhere. And there are also other therapeutic compounds found in nature that have much larger molecules, but they're not as efficient or effective at entering the cells. And that's because essential oils are lipophilic. So then, you ask yourself why essential oils. They're 100% natural chemistry. And like I mentioned, they enter every cell and organ and tissue in your body, helping it to perform its functions using enzymes and receptors and proteins which work to break down and build up and rearrange the chemical bonds in our biological molecules to function. And I am not usually that scientific. I'm more of it. I'll try it. If it works, I'll use it again. So they are 50 to 70 times more powerful than herbs. And they actually don't expire. It's required to put an expiration date on them, but if you keep them in a cool place out of light, they will last a long, long time. So this is an example of how amazing they are. If you put them on the bottom of your feet, balance is one that is known to separate and oxygenate those cells. And even one drop of peppermint is equal to 28 cups of tea. They also enter the cell because they're lipophilic, and that is where a lot of the things inside the cell are hard to reach, but essential oils do reach that. Bacteria resides outside of the cell, and that's usually, if we get a virus, we have to just let it run its course. But with essential oils, we have more power to be able to support and take care of that. So in particular, doTERRA's grade of essential oil is certified pure tested grade. And there's 4 different types of essential oils out there. Of course, those that are the least expensive are synthetic. Then there's those used in food and cooking. They're called generally regarded as safe. Then there's therapeutic that you can get at the health food store or order from other companies. Most of them say that they are pure but do not ingest. And this is where doTERRA is different. And they use all kinds of testing and double testing and triple testing. So they are beyond organic, which means that they are verified pure, free of fillers, pesticides, and foreign contaminants, and have the third-party stringent testing. And they also release these tests, and I can show you if you'd like to look up by a number on the bottom of the bottle, and that will help you to get the exact tests that have been done on it, the mass spectrometry and the chiral GC testing and the gas chromatography. Anyway, this is all an amazing process that it goes through, but I have been using them for a long time, over 15 years, and I know of their quality, and they are amazing. So I want to start simply. I have two blends that I want to talk about very briefly today. One is On Guard, and I really lean towards the emotional aspect of an essential oil because I like to project that. And On Guard is an oil of protection. So it helps to boost the immune system, helps to clean the air if you diffuse it, is really great for skin clearing and cleansing. You can use it on countertops for cleaning. There's a whole variety of On Guard products, everything from cleaning to toothpaste. So it's also really good for urinary tract support and energy and cellular support, and then of course emotional protection. So we want to be able to create healthy, clear boundaries, feel protected and capable, work within integrity, independence, to be reinforced, supported, and strengthened. So a little bit more about it. These are the 5 essential oils that are in the On Guard blend. There's wild orange that helps to maintain overall health, detoxing. Clove, I have more information on. It is like one of the powerhouses of essential oils, and it's an antioxidant. Cinnamon is also really known for helping blood sugar levels, and it has a really high Zorex score that I'm going to be talking about just a tiny bit. Then there's eucalyptus. This is great for clear breathing and opening the airways and promoting a feeling of relaxation. And then there's rosemary, helps reduce nervous tension and occasional fatigue and promotes clear airways. So this oil is amazing. You can put a couple drops in a little shot glass like that with water and gargle and swallow it. It can also be used topically, and I mentioned aromatically, diffusing it, and you'd want to dilute it with the carrier oil to use on your skin. This is what I wanted to share with you, just a little bit about clove and cinnamon, because they are two of the main ingredients in On Guard, and they contain high amounts of antioxidants. The ORAC score stands for oxygen radical absorbance capacity, and clove is the highest at over 314,000, and cinnamon is 267,000. So you can use them as a tea. You can buy them singly also, and I use cinnamon in my water every day, and they're amazing, and you can take them internally. Any essential oil that has the supplemental facts on it of doTERRA, you can take internally, and of course you only want to use a couple drops, but these are great for as an antiseptic to inhibit viruses, to have antimicrobial properties. They help with inflammation and help heal throats and cold and cough and headaches. I'm really interested that they do help with urinary tract infections. So that's another one that I was surprised about. So they are an absolute must to have with you is the On Guard soft gels. And one of the reasons is because they contain 2 other oils, actually 3, that help support our immune system. One is oregano, and that also helps clean the digestive system. Melissa is an amazing, powerful oil. Most of the Melissa on the market is lemongrass, which they smell the same, but they're not the same. But they really, really help with a healthy inflammatory response. And then the other one is black pepper, and it has great cleansing properties. So I never go anywhere without a bottle of the On Guard soft gels, and it's called the Protective Blend. Okay, then another thing that I keep in my purse is the beadlets, and they are super tiny and easy to just pop in your purse. They equal 1/3 of a drop, and there's 125 beadlets in each bottle. So you can I just keep it in my purse and just pop 2 or 3 in my mouth if I'm next to someone that's sick. And I really think these are amazing. So 1/3 of a drop is great if your child would like to try them. Some kids like cinnamon, and that's pretty much the taste that they get. So it's also helpful after meals, and they're just powerful, tiny little beadlets, and they're also good for your breath. So another one is the On Guard sanitizing mist. These are super simple and convenient. It also comes in a gel, but they kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So that's why we also use On Guard for cleaning. But it doesn't smell like alcohol, but it has a 70% plant-derived ethyl alcohol base, and you can just spray it on your hands. I keep one in my car and in my purse, and they are kind of a must-have to, we want to keep our hands clean all the time. Then lastly, I wanted to talk about Breathe. It's called Easy Air, I believe, in Europe, and Air X is another one that I love. It's called the Oil of Breath of Life. And this is great for clearing your airways by diffusing it. It's even gentle enough. I just put a little bit under my nose. I might put some on the palm of my hand and suck it into my chest. It's great for diffusing at night, for easier breathing and seasonal threats, and it assists in the intake of oxygen. So the emotional part of it is to feel valued and loved and accepted, supported, open, trusting, and embracing life. So in this blend, there are 7 essential oils. There's laurel leaf, lemon, peppermint, eucalyptus, ravensara, cardamom, and tea tree. So you can put the oil on your chest or on your back or the bottom of your feet, and you can do the same with the On Guard. And this is a little bit more about the Air X. I love to switch between the two, but I wanted to share this with you because there's also one package that I would not do without, and that is the respiratory drops. And these are absolutely amazing. They also contain the melissa-in that I talked to you about that is so powerful, and also thyme, which promotes a healthy immune system. So I would say if you had these particular immune support starter kit, you would be ready for whatever comes your way. I do the protective soft gels, I'd say 2 about every 3 or 4 hours. And then the On Guard I would gargle with, put on my feet, on my spine with the carrier oil. Keep the On Guard beadlets in your purse and keep your hands clean with the sanitizing mist. And then the Breathe you would diffuse, or you can put it topically or under your nose or breathe it in, or just go like this, cup your hands and breathe it in, and then the throat drop. So I just wanted to share that briefly with you, and also offer you this ebook about the internal use of essential oils. So if you'll just message me if you'd like any more detailed information. I know I've covered this quickly, but the main thing is you need to take the lid off the bottle and use it up. This is just amazing stuff for supporting the immune system, and highly recommended for me. And just try it, and appreciate you being on today, and we'll see you next Wednesday.